Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to archive chats on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to archive chats on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And from over here guys, in order to proceed to archive a chat on Telegram, you'll be first required to choose the chat on Telegram which you want to archive. Now, for example, this is my demo account guys. Now I will be archiving this chat. In order to proceed to archive your chat guys, tap and hold on the chat on which you want to archive, and after tapping and holding on it, a green tick mark will be available at the right side on the left side on the profile picture. Now after the tick mark or the green tick mark appears at the top right corner of the screen guys, there will be a three dotted icon available for us. Let's do that again. So let's tap and hold on the chat box which we want to archive, and the three dotted icon is available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three dotted icon, and you can see guys on this pop-up menu the archive option is available for us. Tap on that archive and that chat will be archived guys. You can see the archive chats over here, and let's tap on the got it. And that being done guys, this is how to archive chats on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.